If you have a newer flagship phone or you have a laptop and you want to expand out to view on a bigger monitor, you are going to need an adapter. And if you're displaying to a monitor or you're going into a conference and it doesn't have an HDMI or a mini DisplayPort, you might need something like this. So from Yoigo, we have the USB Type-C to VGA adapter. So this is a nice simple adapter, and this is going to allow you to expand and go from a USB Type-C device, so pretty much any laptop, or a flagship Android phone. And you'll be able to expand it with this, use a regular VGA cable, and display out to an older computer monitor or older television. So from Yoigo, definitely a good value.